I've been eating this for the past few days. I mean,
month.
Because I ate one of these rolls, and then there's the second roll that needs to be eaten, and no one else in my family will eat it. I'm just about to air fry this baby. I'm a bit sick of eating this, but someone has to eat it. Flipping it. I actually didn't turn it over after 6 minutes or whatever. I'm turning it over after it finished after 12 minutes. I'm gonna heat it up another 4 minutes and then call it a day. So I think it's like 16 minutes total. So I want it crispy. This is it. I've been eating this for the past few days. Let me put that down. This is what I've been eating for the past few days, or past month. It looks not too bad. Yeah. It's good when you air fry and make it crispy. So, this is my first world problem. No one in my family will eat this except for me. So, I'm not complaining. I'm just getting a little bit tired of eating this every single day. Over and out.